In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Binance account. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing that you're going to do is just click this profile right here. You have your profile here again, and then we're going to scroll down and you should be able to see security in here. I want you to go ahead and click this security, and then you're going to scroll down and you should be able to see here manage account. Now, if we are going to click manage account, we should be able to see two options in here. One is to disable your account and another one is to delete accounts. We're going to go ahead and choose the second option here. Take note though that this is irreversible, so make sure that you have saved everything that you have here or withdraw everything that you have in here. Now, go ahead and choose a reason. I'm going to go ahead and choose no longer needing this one or no longer using. Click the continue button right here, and then we're going to click continue once again, and then you can just go ahead and click agree in here, and yeah, you should be able to see here your assets. Make sure that you have everything again saved, everybody. So from this point forward, just go ahead and tap the delete option and you are good to go. And that, everybody, is how it's done. Thank you for watching.